Upgrade your Tesla Model 3/Y 2021 Plus with the Juniper Smart Air Vent System, the first two-in-one accessory that merges blind spot monitoring with dynamic ambient lighting. Intelligent safety alerts, blind spot warnings, turn signal reminders, speed alerts, door open notifications, and even AP/battery status updates, all projected onto your air vents. Seamless ambient lighting syncs with your Tesla's original colors, Highland/Juniper models, or choose manually from 6 vibrant shades. White, orange, green, purple, pink, or blue, set the mood instantly. OEM Perfect Fit, designed exclusively for Model 3/Y Highland/Juniper. Zero gaps, zero glare, looks factory installed. Truly plug and play. Connect the OBD CAN port and air vent light strip. No wire cutting, no coding, installs in minutes. Smart reminders work instantly. Parked? Scroll to switch colors. Driving? Get real-time alerts for hazards, speed, or charging status. Safety meets sophistication. For Tesla owners who demand cutting-edge safety without sacrificing aesthetics, this is the ultimate 2024 upgrade. Explore it on Aliexpress, where innovation enhances your Tesla's genius.